Good morning, Akshita. We completed two parts of powers. Now we are going for the third part, that is standard form of a number. So what is standard form? So any number is given to you. Let's say, some number is given to you. For example, 3000, no, not 3000, 332,589.23. This is the number given to you. This is not in standard form. What is exactly standard form? It has another name called scientific notation. So what do we do is we take this point to the such a position where that decimal number will be between 1 and 10. If you take this point back, then it's going to become 3.3258923 into how much? 10 power, how many places you have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So into 10 power 5. This is the scientific notation of this number. This is also called standard form. So all the textbooks and everything, even calculator also uses scientific notation only when the big values come into the picture. So what are the steps to write a number in scientific notation, sir? Step 1. Check whether number is in between 1 and 10. Step 2. If it is between 1 and 10, write it as it is. Step 3. If it is above 10, then write that number as a decimal number between 1 and 10 into 10 power how much ever you get it, like what we have done for this one. Okay, so now let's see some of the questions. Write down the first question. In the first question itself, Akshita, there are plenty of questions. 0.4579. 0.4579, we have to write it in the standard form. This number is not in between 1 and 10. So for that, what I am going to do is 0.4579. If I bring this point here, that number, then the number will be in between 1 and 10. Therefore, I will write it as 4.579 into 10 power minus 1, because I want my point to go back one place, not go ahead, go back. Therefore 10 power minus 1. Is this clear? This is the standard form. SF means standard form. Okay, now I'm going for the next one. 0.000007. 0.000007. So this number is not in between 1 and 10. I want my point to go one place, 2 places, 3 places, 4 places, 5 places, 6 places ahead. So then it will become 7.0 into 10 power. Since it came 6 places ahead, I have to send back again that 6 places back. It is 10 power minus 6. Right? Now, once let me check it, proper recording. Okay, let's continue. So I think this second question is clear for you. Third question. I will teach you 4 questions and then from there you can go ahead. It is given 216000000. This is the number given to you. Now if you want to write it in scientific notation, then see, I want my point will be here. I want to shift it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places backward. That is 2.16 into, since I brought my point 8 places backward, I have to put it back to 8 places. So 2.16 into 10 power 8. Is this clear? Now going ahead, next one, 9573 into 10 power minus 4. 9573 into 10 power minus 4. See, already 10 power minus 4 is there. Just put it aside, don't worry about it. Think about 9573. Point is here, I wanted to bring it to first place, second, third, 3 places backward. 9.573 into, since I brought 3 places backward, again I have to put it back to 3 places forward. So into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 4. That's going to be 9.573 into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 4. That is 10 power 3 minus 4. A plus B. 10 power A and 10 power B is 10 power A plus B. So 10 power 3 minus 4 is 10 power minus 1. This is your standard form. Is that clear? So now I am going to give you some homework. In the homework you are going to do third question of the first bit, that is 0.000000564. Fourth question 0.0000021. Fifth one we have done it. Sixth question 0.0000529 into 10 power 4. These are the 3 questions. You can do it as a homework. Now going ahead for the example 2. We have done till now example 1. Now we are going to the example 2. So in example 2, he is asking the same thing. Express the following numbers in the usual form. So only one question I am going to do. Remaining you are going to do. This is the first question they have given us. 3.52 into 10 power 5. Express this in usual form. What is the meaning of express it in usual form? The given form is scientific notation. The given form is scientific notation. Now you have to express this in the usual form. So it is going to be 3.52 into 10 power 5. So 3, I have to shift the point 5 places ahead. You put zeros so that you can easily understand it. How many are zeros you want to put it like that, no problem. Now shift it 5 places ahead. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you have to put your point here. 3, 5, 2, 000. That's it. Remaining zeros are not required once you expressed it in the usual form. So now similarly I am giving you homework again from the second one. Express following in usual form. I am giving you the second and third bit. Second bit is 7.54 into 10 power minus 4. Third bit is going to be 3 into 10 power 5. So express this in the usual notation. What they have given is scientific notation or standard form. You please express that in the usual form. Okay. Now there are some nice questions that we have to compulsorily do them. So example 3. Express the following in standard form. The first one they have given as 1 micron is equal to 1 by you can say 10 lakh meter. Express this in the usual form. No, scientific. So you know micron actually, sir, when you go to some supermarket also, they will be giving polythene covers. On that polythene covers you can see this measurement: 1 micron, 2 micron, 3 micron, like that 10 micron. So how much micron is suitable for this earth actually, you know, for decomposition, like that they will be giving some measurements on the polythene cover. If you go next time you can observe that. So now 1 micron is nothing but 1 by 10 lakh meter. That is nothing but 1 by 10 lakh means 10 power 6. See, 1 0 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, 10 power 6. So we learned in exponents that 1 by a power m can be written as a power minus m. Therefore 1 by 10 power 6 can be written as 10 power minus 6 meter. That's it. This is the standard form for the 1 by 10 lakh meter notation. Is that clear? Very important questions, not only from mathematics point of view, from knowledge, general knowledge point of view. Next, charge of an electron. Charge of an electron is equal to 0. Tick tick. This is given Akshita. So charge of an electron is given as like this. Don't fear by seeing the terminology. What is charge of electron? You might not be knowing it. Fine. Your job is to convert this number into scientific notation and write as it is your answer. You need not know what is charge of electron. You need not know what is Coulomb and everything. But for your general knowledge purpose, I am saying you any particle will have charge because of electron. Because you know every particle is made up of atoms. Atoms are made up of electrons and protons, and they are charged particles. Electron will have negative charge, proton will have positive charge, which you might learn in chemistry. So here if you see, I want my point to go to what number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 places it should go ahead. Therefore, 1.6 into, since it is going 18 places ahead, I have to bring back it. 10 power minus 18, write down the remaining thing as it is coulombs. Whatever is there, just copy it as it is. This is the only work you have to do. 1.6 in 10 power minus 18. Very good questions. Don't take it light. They are very helpful in your future. Okay. Now, going to the third question. Size of bacteria is, sir, we need not really know what is bacteria. Only thing our job is to know this number. What is that number? If you know it, that is sufficient. So size of bacteria is 0.0000005 meter. So write this in scientific notation. So how do we write this? Going ahead, now you can, how many times you have, how many places ahead you have to put this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So 5.0 into, since you have taken 7 places ahead, 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter. You write down this as it is. This is the size of bacteria in the scientific or standard notation. Fourth one. Thickness of normal paper. Thickness of normal paper is 0.07 mm. They want this in the scientific notation. Very simple. 0.07. Now I want to take this point to 2 places ahead. So 7.0 into 10 power minus. Since I am taking 2 places ahead, I have to bring back 2 places. So 10 power minus 2 mm. Just write this one as it is. No need to worry what is that mm. Millimeter. You know it, right? 7 into 10 power minus 2. I hope so. Example 3 is clear for you. One homework question I am giving it from here. Many homeworks are there in this because I want you to practice it properly. Size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. Express it in standard form. Let me check whether the recording is happening properly. It's happening. Okay, I think, I hope so. Till now it is clear, right? Zero point double zero double zero one 1275 meter. Express it in standard form. Okay, so this is there is one more question, and then there are two more questions, Akshita, and then we have objective questions to do on the exponents and powers that we are going to do in the next class. So thank you very much. Bye bye.